This week on Oil and Gas Watch News, we're looking at a 70-year-old oil refinery and petrochemical plant in Sweeny, Texas, southwest of Houston, that is drawing opposition from local residents. At a hearing earlier this month by the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality, a state regulatory agency, residents urged officials not to approve an operating permit for Chevron Phillips Chemical, which has a long track record of violations and fines. According to state records, the plant received 93 environmental violations over the last 6 years. State regulators have issued nearly $545,000 in fines against the facility for air pollution violations over the last 5 years. Chevron Phillips has for 55 years operated one of the world's largest ethane cracker facilities here, converting or cracking the components of natural gas into the basic building blocks of plastics. The plant can produce approximately 2.2 billion pounds of plastic resins per year. Last year, the company was given the green light to increase production. It is now seeking a renewal of its state operating permit that would incorporate a previously approved expansion project, which includes replacing a furnace and producing more ethylene. The expanded plant would also release more of some air pollutants, including volatile organic compounds, fine particulate matter, and sulfur dioxide. In March 2022, Chevron Phillips agreed to make $118 million in equipment upgrades and other measures to settle allegations by the Department of Justice of repeated air pollution violations at 3 Texas plants: Cedar Bayou, Port Arthur, and Sweeny. The company also agreed to pay a $3.4 million civil penalty. The company had failed to properly operate and monitor its flares, which resulted in excess emissions of harmful air pollution, according to the federal government. At the hearing, Riley Bennington, a lifelong Brazoria County resident, got down on his knees and begged the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality to deny Chevron Phillips' request for a renewed operating permit. Bennington asked officials to consider the health of his mother and 4-year-old daughter, who also live nearby. "Whenever you and your agency are making these decisions, they're killing people in my community," Bennington said. To learn more about Chevron Phillips Chemical Sweeny operations and why people are speaking out, visit news.oilandgaswatch.org.